Oh, little boy, what is up, little Tuck? What is up, guys? We're a squad deep today. Just showed up to the shop. It is gorgeous out. RJ's over there eating, of course. Say what's up. Shake Shack? Good for you, RJ. Ryan, what is up, my friend? So Ryan literally has the coupe I want. It's 1J, Y is fab, perfect. Like, Gannon doors. Stop it. Go home.
She's not perfect. It's all cut up, but it's all good.
What up? How are you? Exactly.
What's up, Choo
That
Choo?
looks like Adam.
What is this shit?
Yo, link in bio. Young Tuck merch. Get at me. YoungTuck.com. Links right here.
DJ, you pumped to drive the Silvia today?
I am very pumped.
Very pumped?
Hopefully we don't have any of those.
Came in the mail and I cut the bottom off by accident and I realized what it was, so I'm gonna make one of the guys open it.
And nobody came in.
I got the white back under. I don't want to do it. Ah, I knew it. Ha! You can't get me.
What a mess. We're gonna get ants, RJ.
Oh, we're gonna have ants.
Dude, how nice does it feel to be outside just doing shit?
So much nice.
So much nice.
So much nice.
Let's see some shit.
Which side's?
You can pick. Well, I've been trying the tray flip for 2 hours straight. It's not happening. Kind of. Alright, so let's take a second to go back to Rye's car because this is literally everything I want out of my car. Literally everything. Look at this. Look at this.
It's not. It's. Eh. I mean,
Shut up.
I wish I took.
Shut up.
I wish I took as much time as you on my engine
Everyone
bay.
smack him.
It's good. Like it works exceptionally well.
He's
but like,
nice.
I built it in 5 months. So like I didn't prep the engine bay like you. It's rattle canned. The interior is rattle canned. I use like the 2K clear in the can with the hardener. So it's like it's good, but like it's cut like shit. Like I would like to make it pretty like yours.
Oh
but
my god, the rest of it is.
I'll start it.
Oh my god. Let me get a little another something out of that one. Let's hear it.
It's simple. It's simple. It's very simple. Simply perfect. I wouldn't go that far.
Wow. Wow.
I think we're good. It's nothing. Alright guys, make sure you go on Rye's Instagram and put it right here and just comment wow. Like right on his wow. What's up, Eddie? Alright guys, an update on Eddie's FC. You guys haven't seen in a while. Eddie had to take a break for a while because he was having his health wasn't there, but he's feeling better now and I think work is being put in.
Definitely.
Where's the transmission?
Transmission's over there, I gotta clean it up.
So Eddie's going with the CD09, which is like the best 350Z training. It's stupid strong, the gearing's great, everyone loves them.
Long block's done. I just gotta order like one more thing, but essentially it's all done. The manifold's being built right now. Yeah, that's it. Just basically waiting on the manifold to be done, one more component, and the shifter for the CD09.
Look at that crusted boy. So I guess, what do you have to make all the brackets for your accessories now and then you can paint it?
The transmission mounts don't work, so I gotta cut them out and we'll actually have to make our own, so.
The cage is all done and this thing is, you could push this car off a cliff.
Yeah. I just gotta stop being lazy and sand it down and paint it. It's getting warmer now, so that'll probably happen in the next month or so.
Ernie, if you're watching this, finish a damn car, boy. I love this thing. Calling you out. DJ over here throwing in the power steering lines that he didn't hook up yesterday. You almost done, Donald?
Yeah, I'm just trying to run them like the best way.
What's wrong? Is it not working out?
No, they're on, but it was fucking miserable.
How miserable?
Sucked.
And then the cocker got the idea that it could torment the fucking... So it started.
Well, she literally started in half a crank. I'm really impressed with it. I haven't started this car in, what, a month and a half?
If that.
And that started up like, no, I should have plugged it. Still got to plumb in the IAC, of course, and it'll make it run perfect, but idle's a little low right now. It's probably going to die once it warms up. Want to pull her out for me? You're good. I gotta fix that. Woo! You hear that flutter? Give it a little gas.
Nice.
Damn, the fair lady's sounding healthy, isn't she?
Healthier than my car.
Now I just need to Reggie this girl so I can actually drive her.
It sounds so good.
I gotta play with the ignition timing. I think it's a little advanced right now, so it's hitting a little weird, and it needs new gas because I'm pretty sure it has like the old 87 in it. But dude, it surprisingly idles and runs really well for having no IAC. Like it has a good recovery. You didn't hear it stall out at all.
No.
I'm really.
It sounded good between the two.
Yeah.
buildings.
The only thing is, it idles probably 100 more RPMs than like it would without the IAC. You know, with it being plumbed in. So
Yeah.
I don't. Whatever.
Give them a little taste of the exhaust.
Yeah, it got a little hot. Stop. What is you doing? What are you doing? All you do is cause trouble. That's all you do. She looks so good. Look at this from far away. It's just like the perfect angle. I really need to get these side skirts painted, get the extension, get the spats, get my front bumper painted. I need to re-up on this car. I sleep on it so hard. But being able to drive in the parking lot is great. I know I was supposed to register my car this week and I just never really got to it. It's just, DMV in Connecticut is a very, very miserable process, and I'll do it, but this weather's motivating. Now I want to pull the red seat out so I can wash both of them, and I really want to see them next to each other. It looks like I started up first try great. Can't beat that. Dude, I love the LS is great. Like, I could let this sit for 6 years and it'll start without even hesitation.
It smells straight up American in the back.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
on burnt
this is
fuel.
the way the gas smells. That got the LS in it, right? That's how they're supposed to sound. Do a burnout.
Mini Bernie?
A big one.
Much fun.
Thanks, Jim. I didn't just wash my car or nothing earlier. Appreciate it, you dick.
Alright guys, if your garage is empty and you don't take the time to clean it, you're just a damn fool. So of course I'm cleaning my garage, so we're kind of doing that. I really want to put the black coupe right here. that's our goal today, is move the coupe over here, and I'm gonna put the Z's in the back, because why the heck not? Lens is dirty. But there's no front subframe in it, and things might get sketchy. But we're gonna give it a shot.
All right. Hopefully this does the trick. It's like kind of sketchy, but gonna work. Hopefully it doesn't fall.
We're used to sketchy shit around here.
True.
So we have the jacks on those little points right there, and it was able to wheel over just fine.
Shop feels massive with nothing in it, but it's all set. We're good. We're done. No more sketchy. Did not fall off the jacks. Did not tilt and kill us. We're good, right? We didn't die. No one died.
The front
You dead?
aren't touching.
You're dead. You're dead inside. I can see it.
I've been dead inside for a while.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
This dude still hasn't made an intake, and he's still working on the exhaust. What is happening? All you needed was an intake, Donald.
I do. The exhaust doesn't need to be hooked up to start the freaking car.
His back is hurting too much.
Yeah, you.
So I finished the exhaust for him, and it's all done. Oh, my camera's going dodo. It looks great. Hopefully it doesn't leak. If it leaks, are you gonna cry?
No, I'm just gonna go under the car and you're gonna lower the jack.
We gotta take all our extra couplers, all our extra pipe, and somehow make something work for this intake. I wish he was on speed density, but whatever. We have to literally go like straight underneath the power steering lines and then up through here and then straight again. I don't know. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. All right, this is my first try attempt. Hopefully this works. DJ made this whole, put in all this work to get his engine nice and pretty. We're gonna fuck it up with this thing. FT, your boy's nice. Looks like ass, but that's what you have to do. I'm good. I got this F. Look at this. I'm impressed with myself. That's a shitty puzzle that I just solved.
That's a shitty piece to put in here. Do you think we could almost start it now?
Yeah, we should probably tighten those couplers up and shit.
Why? Just to start it?
All right, I got all the hose clamps on. Everything's all tight. It's a tight fit, but it fits. You know what I mean? Like, I'm really happy we were able to configure something out of all those couplers to make this work. It's not horribly ugly. It just like, I don't know. Speed density, we'll do that. But she should be able to start now. Hopefully she runs good and all that good stuff. He has no power steering fluid in. What is happening?
Dude,
What kind of noises was that?
Maybe.
I hope you guys could have heard that. Like, I hope you guys heard it on the camera. That.
It sounded like you had a bellyache.
Okay, well, sick. Yeah, it has no coolant, has no power steering fluid, so the pump might be loud, but it should run.
Can we put power steering in it?
Sure.
Why is it doing that?
Try again.
Dude, it's just like...
Oh, it's a... Okay. Oh boy.
I don't think...
All right, guys. So it's two things I just figured out. It's one, the engine harness is grounded very poorly. Needs like 2 more grounds, and thus the parking neutral switch, because his car was the neutral safety switch park sensor thing. Since DJ's car was automatic, was kind of like not fully jumped, so it had a bad connection too. So we're gonna fix that up, add another ground, and see if she hits. Is it done yet?
Yep.
It's done. Start that bitch up, DJ. Move that starter. Grounding action.
You like that ground, the pink ground?
We're gonna do that. Cool, that works. Start her up. Something is not grounded, as you guys might have seen that one. Where are your engine grounds? How is this thing running before?
Dude, it has grounds. We moved the whole fuse.
Did you just see that shit?
We moved the whole fuse box.
Did you just see that shit?
We moved the whole fuse box.
Did you just see the shit?
I could point out 3 grounds right now.
Well, they're boof grounds. Added a temporary ground on his engine, and hopefully this helps. I don't know why, but his engine was, he says it was grounded well underneath, but clearly that's not the case, DJ.
It was. was, dude.
All right, try again.
Told you. Who was right? Who was right?
DJ just made a fucking giant mistake. I don't even want to look underneath your car right now. Alright guys, so DJ's idle has been really, really high, so we were trying to mess with the idle screw, which was seized, so we've been playing with that. His turbo sounded a little weird. Not bad, but I just heard something. I looked down. I don't even want to look under your car right now.
No, you don't. You don't. I hooked up everything, dude. I hooked up
So Donald forgot one very, very important thing to hook up.
I hooked up everything. I could have sworn I did. Holy fuck me.
You guys ready for it?
Oh my god, I forgot about that.
Oh my god, you guys you probably can't tell, but see all that black? That is a fucking quart of oil on my garage floor right now. DJ forgot to hook up the oil return from his turbo.
Dude, no, it was dusted.
Luckily, he didn't run the engine drive oil, which is good, and he has oversized pans, so he's fine. But good thing we noticed.
I'm gonna take it down the my car would have blew up. That's not funny, but I totally forgot about that. And
She runs. That's sick. But we gotta fix more things. And holy fucking mess. Could have been. It could be worse. It could be worse. Well, DJ's car piddled. This is like the darkest black. Look at this. I could see hell.
Like, you
in
feel like
here.
you can crawl into this shit.
Literally, it's like a multi-universe. Well, good thing, because you probably needed a freaking oil change too.
Oh yeah, I was gonna do that.
Look at this. Well, there goes all my pig mats. Damn it, Donald.
Look at your hand.
I know. Well, it's all cleaned up. And you know what? I take partial responsibility because I should double check too. I wasn't thinking about it. Whatever. But it's okay. It happens. Luckily, it wasn't like a gross in the engine bay, like oil spinning everywhere. It's just straight down from the turbo onto the ground. So we're good. We'll fix that tomorrow. It's getting late. I'm tired. I still got to move all the cars and everything. But, I mean, she runs. She's together and she looks great. What more can you ask for? It just needs an oil line. They're finally next to each other. They're both, the engine bays are filthy on these things. Like, it's kind of embarrassing. This looks pink, the engine bay. It's so dirty. But there it is, guys. Wait till the new stuff, the new parts are on here so they actually look kind of different. Because, I mean, right now they're both just loaded on wheels with side skirts. I mean, those are missing, but wait. Wait on that front bumper and the side lips. It's really going to change it up. All right, guys, I think that's it for tonight. Today's been a long day. We got a lot of stuff done. It was great hanging out in the sun. It was absolutely gorgeous out. I cannot wait for more of these days. Right, DJ?
It was a great day.
It was a great day. But cars are now switched around, of course. The Z's are next to each other, which has been a long time coming. DJ's car runs and is good, besides that little issue called an oil return line.
I'll take it though.
Yeah, that's not bad out of everything. And we gotta figure out that idle issue. I mean, it's not idling rough or anything, it's just idling high. I don't know why, but it's probably a vacuum leak or something stupid. And the S13 is in the prime workspace, which means I have to get to work on this thing. So that's about it for tonight. I hope you guys liked today's video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for tomorrow so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Have a great night.